History Department is one of the leading research departments in UNB. In the university's biennial ranking of research productivity for each department, history has consistently achieved a #1 ranking, the highest designation possible. Historians conduct research in a wide array of fields, from political, military, and intellectual history, to social and cultural, to the history of various groups and individuals. The History Department enjoys a close partnership with the Gregg Center for the Study of War and Society, and is working to open an interdisciplinary Atlantic Canada Studies Center.
It's a very proud department, a very cohesive department. Unfortunately, a little smaller than it once was, but the cohesion and the quality of the department is very high. One of its major contributions, I think, was that it really was one of the first departments that took regional and local history seriously. And then, of course, with the explosion of social history in the 1960s, became the home of the regional journal called Canadiensis.
The History Department has a terrific reputation. It, for at least 2 generations, if perhaps 3 generations, it has produced some very fine scholars and has been home to scholars who have successfully challenged dominant narratives about Canadian history by introducing regional frameworks of analysis.
Faculty are committed to research here. They can count on a great deal of support from the department, but also from the university. This university provides a comparable level of financial support to get research up and running to large universities.
This is a very successful department professionally. We are all active publishing scholars, all people who are pretty well established within their particular branches of the discipline. And that passion for knowing and learning and writing and publishing is something that we think we convey, or certainly we try to convey to our graduate students. So the department has a real research energy, but not at the expense of instruction for students at both the undergraduate and the graduate level. We really try to do it all, and I think we succeed quite well.
Historians especially have taken it upon themselves to show leadership in research, and many of our scholars do research that's of national and international caliber. And so we see ourselves both supporting the local, the provincial, the national, and even in the international. We collaborate and cooperate with colleagues at the University of Maine, for example, on several fronts. We've been successful not just on the basis of our individual efforts or the efforts of our own department, but by collaborating with others in other departments, other disciplines, historians who are in other institutions, and by working together in that fashion, we can build things that we couldn't do on our own.